This is my 2004 Toyota Sequoia Limited 4-wheel drive. Doing a quick walk around. Recently put some exhaust on it. I put the Borla Pro S, I believe it's called. I didn't buy the whole exhaust system, I just replaced the muffler. It's a dual in, single out, and I cut off the baffle on the end so it would sound a little bit better. I'll crank it up for you guys. Set my phone down, let you guys hear it. It's a real nice clean sound, it's not choppy. Don't have that gurgle to it. It's really clean. That's why I chose the Borla muffler over the Flowmaster and Magnaflow. And there you have it.